Denbighshire Archives website allows you to do more from home. You can use the website to search the catalogue to see what we hold, book to use the services in advance, view digital copies of collections where they are available, request a copy of a document and pay online. In order to use the service, you will need to register on the website. You will be asked to fill in basic information, including your name, address and email. You will then be asked to agree to our terms and conditions. If you give us your email address while registering, you will receive an automated email to confirm your account and be asked to choose a password. Once you've registered, you can log into your account from any PC, tablet or phone. If you decide to use the service in person, you will be asked to provide identification that includes your name and address or a County Archives Research Network reader's ticket. One of the many benefits our website offers is the facility to book a place in the search room in advance. Use the calendar to book an available date and choose the equipment you need for your visit, like a microfilm reader, PC or map table for consulting larger documents. If you aren't sure what you need when you arrive, you can add comments in the additional notes. If you need some inspiration to help you decide what to look for, you can browse our subject guide, which provides information on topics such as births, marriages and deaths, census records and workhouse records. The catalogue search bar appears on every page of the website, and you can access it from the homepage. Here you can search for a keyword or open the advanced search bar for more options. Each search looks through all the keywords used in every catalogue entry to produce a results list. You can scroll through the list to explore the collections, or use the options on the left of the page to narrow down the search results. Once you have discovered something you are interested in, simply click on it to select that catalogue entry. Select Browse by Hierarchy to open up the full catalogue and expand the drop-down tree to see more entries within the same catalogue. If you plan to visit the office in person to view the archives you have found in the catalogue, you can add them to your wish list. This saves it to your account so you don't have to search for it again when you arrive. If you can't make it into our office to view your archives, use the quote button to request for a copy to be made for you. A member of staff will consult the item on your behalf, and if it can be copied and is not too fragile, we will send you a copying quote which you can pay online. You can also view your search results on a map viewer. To do this, click the map button on your search results. You can zoom in and out of layers of historical ordnance survey maps, even fading current maps over older ones, allowing you to compare and contrast to see how the towns and villages of Denbighshire have changed over time. If you see a thumbnail image in your search results list, it means a digital image of a collection is available. By selecting the catalogue entry and clicking on the thumbnail, you can open a larger image so you can zoom in for more detail. Staff and volunteers are continuously adding new material, and our online resources will grow and develop over the years. We hope you enjoy our website and that you find it helpful when you explore your archive.